This video's purpose is gonna crack you up. My throttle cable broke in Canarsie. I've been driving around with this as my throttle cable since. I called roadside assistance in the beginning, and then after looking, I said, Chris, all you need to do is do what you did, and you'll be able to drive the car home under your own power, etc. My own control. I'm gonna order the throttle cable in a few minutes. So I just made it back here to the garage. Now watch my throttle cable. Again, it's this. This is the torque. It's rolling on torque alone. All I'm doing is holding the brake. I'm gonna show you guys. That's it. I need to get a new cable. See? God bless, peace and love.